How do genetics and environment affect schizophrenia onset? Imagine your brain as a complex puzzle where many pieces come together to shape your mental health. Sometimes, certain pieces are missing or don't fit quite right. That's similar to how genetics and environment influence when and how schizophrenia begins. Genetics play a big role in this puzzle. Studies show that about 80% of the risk for schizophrenia comes from your genes. But there's no single gene responsible. Instead, many small genetic changes or mutations add up, increasing the chance of developing the disorder. If a close family member like a parent or sibling has schizophrenia, your risk goes up. Identical twins share all their genes, so if one twin has schizophrenia, the other has about a 50% chance of developing it too. But genes are only part of the story. Environmental factors also have a strong impact. For example, problems during pregnancy like infections or poor nutrition can raise the risk. Childhood stress or trauma can also make someone more likely to develop symptoms later. Certain infections like toxoplasmosis or cytomegalovirus have been linked to higher chances of schizophrenia. Using substances like cannabis during adolescence can also increase risk, especially if there's a family history. Living in crowded urban areas or experiencing migration can add stress and expose individuals to environmental toxins, which may contribute to the disorder. The way genetics and environment work together is very important. Someone with a family history of schizophrenia might be more sensitive to environmental stressors. For example, if they face high stress or substance use, their chances of developing symptoms go up. Recognizing these factors helps doctors identify early signs of schizophrenia. They can then monitor at-risk individuals more closely and suggest early interventions. In terms of diagnosis and assessment, understanding how genetics and environment interact helps shape early detection methods. For example, if someone has a strong family history and has experienced significant childhood stress, they might be watched more carefully for early symptoms like unusual thoughts or social withdrawal. This way, healthcare providers can offer support sooner, which can lead to better outcomes. Knowing how these factors influence the onset of schizophrenia helps us understand why early detection is so important. It also guides us in creating personalized plans for those at risk, combining biological clues with environmental history to catch the disorder early and start treatment promptly.